Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content to improve your spoken English. And today I'm here joined by Mr. Rudrans. So let's ask Mr. Rudrans how he is doing right now and how is he feeling.
So first of all, hi everyone, and I am fine and I am very good.
Oh, sounds great. Okay. So just we are here to do podcast. So are you ready for that?
Yes, I am ready for that.
That's good. Okay. So starting with the first question. So can you introduce yourself for the sake of viewers? I already know about you, but can you introduce yourself for the sake of viewers so they can know you better?
My name is Rudrans Pandey. I am from Kanpur. I uh, I study in 9th standard and I am 13 years old and my hobby is playing cricket and traveling. So I think that's enough to introduce myself.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear about you. Okay. So the next question is, what is your favorite subject and why?
First of all, I like all subjects, but if you ask me what is your favorite subject, so my favorite subject is English because first of all, English divided into two sections: literature and grammar. So we talk about literature section. Literature is all about reading stories and understanding stories and the lessons, and I like to read stories and lessons. After that, we have to do questions and exercises. I learned that questions and exercises. So literature is very easy, and the other section is grammar. Grammar is slightly complex than literature, but not as but grammar is also easy. So in grammar we have to understand the chapters very carefully and also learn the grammatical rules which we have to apply on the exercises. If we perfectly apply the rules in the exercises and we do exercises correctly, and we also learn the essay and letters and many comprehension passages like that are given to the exams. So grammar is also easy because I do everything learn and understand. So I think English is very easy. So English is my favorite subject.
Oh, that's great to hear. I'm happy to hear that because I like English as well. So your favorite subject is English. It's very interesting. Okay. So moving on with the next question. That is, which subject do you find difficult or challenging?
First of all, I don't find any subject difficult, but if you ask me which subject do you find challenging, so I'll say I find math sometimes challenging because math demands a regular day practice. I do regular day practice, but sometimes I don't, which cost me a number of maths cut cut down in the exam. So I think maths is challenging for me, but I believe in myself that if I do regular practice in math subject, so I also get good marks in the maths.
Exactly, that's absolutely right. Math demands regular practice. If you're not regular, then it becomes difficult for you to get good marks. I agree completely. So, okay, moving on with the next question. That is, do you have a favorite teacher and what do you like about them?
Yes, I have a favorite teacher, and the name and she is Madhvi Bhatangar. She teaches me biology in class 9th, but when I was in class 7th, she was my class teacher, and I like about him. I like about her is that she is a very humble teacher. She is not like other teachers who punishes the student without without asking what the students want to say to them. She asks the students what they want to say to her, and she also and after that she make the decision which, and she always make the right decision. And if the student is wrong in that situation, she very humbly give the advice to the student that you have to manage the discipline and you cannot do like this. So that's why all students love her, and I also love her.
Exactly. Teachers are always appreciated for their maturity. They should deal with the students maturely, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So another question goes to you. That is, do you enjoy reading books or watching videos? What kind?
So first of all, I enjoy both. Enjoy reading books or watching videos. As I told in the previous questions that I like reading stories and lessons. So I also like I also enjoy reading books. But if you ask me what you like more, so I'll say watching videos because we have to we have to start the video and just relax and enjoy the video. So this
Right.
is I think I enjoy videos better than I enjoy videos better than reading books. So uh, I think
Okay. And what kind of videos do you prefer watching?
cricket related contents and gaming content and also funny content.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, another question goes to you. That is, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I play games such as cricket. As I told you in the introduction, that my hobby is playing cricket, so I play cricket, chess, and also other games. And sometimes I go to travel. As you know, I did not travel much, so I travel in my local areas, such like parks the where the plants are much because I also like the nature.
Okay. Moving on with the next question, Rudrans. Do you play any sports or games?
Yes, I play cricket and badminton sometimes, but I mostly play cricket. And in games, I play chess or Ludo in indoor games, and sometimes I play online games like adventurous games.
Okay, that's very nice to hear that. So another question is related to your routine. That what is your daily routine like?
First of all, I wake up at early morning at 7 a.m.
Mhm.
and after that I go to my coachings, and at 12 p.m. I have my lunch, and approximately 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I take rest, and after that I go to play games with my friends that live near my house, and in the evening I spend quality time with my parents, and after that I take lunch, and after that I go to
Okay,
bed.
you'll take dinner, then you go to
Go to
bed.
bed first.
Okay, at what time do you sleep?
Approximately 9:30 p.m.
9:30 do you sleep, or like 11 or 11:30?
At 10:30 is.
Okay, yes, okay. So moving on with the next question, Rudrans, that what makes you happy? Because what I feel happiness is overall very important for everyone. So what makes you happy?
In my opinion, happiness is not that found in a certain thing. Happiness, it can be found in anything. Just like I got good marks in the test, so I am happy. I got my favorite team winning the match, so I am happy. I got anything in my favor that I wanted, so I am happy. So if you ask me what makes you happy, so this is not a certain thing that makes me happy. There is a overall thing that goes in my favor, and that I want to go, so I am happy.
Exactly. Happiness doesn't come from things or material
Yeah,
things, whatever we buy. We think sometimes that if we will have a car, then we'll be happy.
yes,
But that is not always right. You get the car with a lot of problems at the same
yes,
time,
of course.
right? Okay. So moving on with the final question of the session, that is, who is your best friend and why do you like them?
Uh, First of all, I have many good friends, but I cannot tell all friends' name.
Mhm.
So I have two best friends, and the name of them is Samar Sukla and Mayank Pal.
Mhm.
So Samar Sukla is actually my school friend, and I like about him is that he is a very sincere person, in my opinion, and the vibe and the vibe also matches with him, and I in school I spend mostly time with him. We stayed in the same bench, so this is the reason so that he is my best friend. And the other one is Mankpal. Mankpal is live near my house, and he is also handicapped. So I go to his house mostly, and I spend also time with him, and our friendship is like 7 8 years old, so our friendship is very old, so he is also my best friend.
Okay, that's very nice to hear because friends are very important for us. They play
Yeah.
a vital role in our life. Okay,
Yes.
so as we have finished this podcast officially, so would you like to say something at the last that how did you feel about it? How did you feel answering questions?
The podcast is really goes very good, and I also feel very good to answer the podcast to answer the questions that you are asking.
Okay, so thank you. So for the viewers, thank you so much. Many thanks to you for watching this video till the end. And of course, I will request you guys again to subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends and try to do such kind of videos which can help you to improve your spoken English. So thank you so much for being here and being watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.